Risk in securitization. What are the risk? Investor are exposed to various type of risk. In securitization transaction follow. What are this? Credit counterparty risk. So credit risk is there, counterparty risk is there. The investor can prone to risk by bankruptcy or non-performance of servicer. So they got the loan, they not able to pay the loan, not able to pay. What happened? They will issue yellow notice. No, no, bankruptcy they will issue. Such a way they got the loan and they got the amount of shares and they issued share and they got the amount and they underperformed. So my value got down. It is also non-performance now. Legal risk. There is an absence of statutory provision on securitization of transaction in India. Yes. There is no statutory provision how to do securitization in India. As a result, a dispute over legal ownership of asset as can result in uncertainty of investor payouts. Sir, they are not giving how the value of share is being security. That means, so I pay this much rupees for a share, and what is my output right now if this company is being liquid? That is the way you should see. If that is not see, that is not able to recover that, you are investing in something dumb. Market risk, macroeconomic risk, repayment risk, interest rate risk. That are the three risk in market risk. What is a macroeconomic risk? Performance of underlying loan contracts depend on macroeconomic factors such as industry downturns. This company is in the business of giving loan. Good. They are given loan to various segments in our environment. Now, what happens is the country's economy fall down. So what happens? The whole business falls down. Now that want to risk to the person who got the loan. That is a problem. Repayment risk. What is the repayment risk? Reduction in market rate result in repayment of loan, resulting in reinvestment risk for investor to reinvest the amount at the same year. What happens when the interest rate decreases? What happens? The EMI, the principal repayment will be much faster. Principal repayment much faster. So what happens when the interest rate is down? Everybody may want to get a loan, or maybe everyone repay the loan fast as possible. Then the business of getting the actual rate of return what they had got previously is not possible. So the reduction in rate of reduction in repo rate by RBI, which actually bringing down profit of the company. So the share price will decrease indirectly. Interest rate risk. What is interest rate risk? The loan is a pool are based on floating rate and investor pay out. So floating rate and investor payout based on the fixed rate or vice versa. And result of interest rate mismatch which leads to situation where pool cash inflows are not sufficient to meet the investor payout. So this interest rate, usually the market rate of return is something, risk-free rate of return is something. When the actual company's rate of internal rate of return is much lesser than the market rate and return from the risk-free return, share price may decrease because the investor want to get more than the market rate risk-free return. So this is what the market risk for the securitization of assets.